The three modes of Microsoft's Copilot: balanced, creative, precise. When I asked Copilot to create an image depicting the three modes of Copilot, this is what it created. Balanced. This is the default mode when you start Copilot. Creative. This is the mode of Copilot that prioritizes novelty and innovation. Precise. This is the mode of Copilot that prioritizes accuracy and correctness. It is important to select the mode you intend to use before entering the prompt. Balanced. This is the default mode when you start Copilot. This mode is best for getting a blend of both creativity and accuracy, balancing the two aspects. You can use commands like, "What are some pros and cons of working from home? How can I improve my writing skills? What are some interesting facts about dolphins? Create a table of contents for my report." You can also use Copilot to perform actions on your PC, such as changing settings, taking screenshots, opening apps, and much more. For example, you can use commands like turn on dark mode, take a screenshot, open Excel, mute the volume. Let's explore some of these examples while using Microsoft Copilot. Let's put Copilot to work. I'll start it up by using the shortcut key combination of the Windows key and C for Copilot. And that opens up Copilot. You could also select the icon in the taskbar, but for me it's easier just to use the shortcut key, Windows key and C. Copilot is open. Make sure you select the right mode if it's other than the default balanced mode. And down here it says, ask me anything. And the question I want to ask is, what are some pros and cons of working from home? Now you can either type that in here, or you can simply use the microphone and say what you want it to do for you. So let's do that right now. What are the pros and cons of working from home? And as you can see, it doesn't take very long before your answer starts to appear. As you can see from here, this is a very complete answer. You will also notice in here that there are references so that you can always check on the accuracy of the reply. And I guess these items down here are considered advertisements, since this does work with Bing. Now you can, since it's already giving you an answer and it remembers what it gave you, you can, with the next prompt, let's see if we can get it to summarize that reply. Please summarize your answer.
Here's a summary of my answer. Working from home can have both advantages and disadvantages, depending on your personal and professional preferences. Some of the pros are more independence, no commute, increased productivity, improved technical and communication skills, and more flexibility. Some of the cons are increased isolation, increased home office costs, risk of overworking, communication and collaboration challenges, and less recognition and career advancement. I hope this helps. Thank you for chatting with me. Have a nice day.
So you can see that it gives you the opportunity to actually shorten its answer. So you have a choice. You can get the long answer, you can get a shortened answer, or you can use something in between. Just format your prompt to Copilot in such a way as to make it give you the answers you're looking for. I hope that helps. In the next session, we'll explore some more examples. Thanks for watching and listening. Bye-bye.